Gareth with Port Monkeys. We're in cabin B249, which is an inside cabin. So I've already opened the door. You open it by holding your card up there. And then this little light flashes and you're in. So, right here it seems just like an outside cabin with a balcony. You know, it's got coat hangers. The closet's the same. There's a robe or two. The safe. Lots of shelves. This is the bathroom. Lights are already on. Shower head. Remember, they always have this clothesline. Hooks in over there. Some shower gel and some shampoo conditioner. One of those is for temperature, the other's for pressure. Warning about toilets and how they clog on ships. Pretty normal size bathroom. Ooh, a mirror. Trash can, extra toilet paper, nice triangle there. Some lotion, soap, glasses. No, medicine cabinet or anything though. Hold my card. Another mirror. I never get tired of those. Another mirror and Janet. And this is the whole cabin, so I'm not going to go in another room now. You should know that there's drawers, little shelf, some Princess propaganda magazines, little storages here. Probably be good for my camera stuff. Another mirror. A big TV. Hey, that's something different. I think last time we sailed on this ship, the TVs were smaller. Water. That costs. That's not free. In fact, there's the price. $2. Light switches there to control these lights. And of course in here, a refrigerator with ice. They put the ice bucket in the refrigerator. I always wonder whether it's to keep the refrigerator cold or keep the ice frozen. I don't know. Their refrigerators are notorious for not being very cold. And more shelves. And somebody left a welcome aboard in here. I wonder if that's from the last cruise. February 14th.
Last week.
Huh. I'm going to have to look at that. Anyway. Oh. Hair dryer. One time we looked everywhere for the hair dryer. All the drawers, cabinets, everywhere. And then the room steward said, well, it's hanging on the wall. Ha! Telephone, bunch of switches. No USB ports anywhere. Of course, we always bring our own. Thermostat. That's probably it. It feels pretty comfortable in here. Last cruise we were on, the air didn't work so well. And the refrigerator didn't work so well. That was on the Star Princess. So,
Port Monkeys out.